guys, it's Billy with Healthy Home Services. Just wanted to show you what we're cleaning today. We're actually doing some air duct cleaning for a new customer of ours. Just kind of show you how our air duct cleaning system works. We actually use the roto brush cleaning system. And the way this works is it's a HEPA filtered vacuum system, and what it does, it has different brushes on the end there that's actually spinning, and it's agitating the walls of your ductwork, and the HEPA filter vacuum system is pulling all the dirt, debris, and everything like that out of your system. So it's a really good, thorough process. As you can see, just to show you one of the returns that we're cleaning here. We'll clean that and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. But that's our system there. Just kind of want to show you what we're doing. If you have any questions or anything, just let us know. You can give us a call at 901-512-7732. I'll come back and show you what that vent looks like afterwards. Kind of show you the after. Just kind of see how our brush and vacuum system works. You can see it agitating all the dust and debris that's in your system, and how the vacuum extracts all that out. So you can kind of see that's kind of the after. So kind of see how that looks. So if you need any of this done, just give us a call, 901-512-7732.